So I've been testing the TCL 27C2A Pro for a bit now, and honestly, this thing surprised me. At first glance, it's a 27-inch 4K gaming monitor using TCL's QD Mini LED tech, and you can really tell. You're getting over 2,000 nits peak brightness and more than 2,000 local dimming zones, which basically means deep blacks and insanely bright highlights at the same time. In real use, HDR content looks punchy, like properly cinematic. Games like Cyberpunk and Warzone just pop off the screen. You also get a dual mode setup, 4K at 160Hz, or drop to 1080p and push way higher refresh for esports. That flexibility is actually a big deal. Now, it's not perfect. You will notice a bit of blooming and dark UI scenes, and it's not quite OLED level in response time. But for the price bracket, it's really strong. Plus, USB-C 90W charging and KVM support make it great for a work plus gaming setup. So my quick verdict? If you don't want OLED but still want premium HDR gaming, this is absolutely worth considering.